Get ready to get those f***ing squeaks out of your floors for good. To kick things off, you'll need these: a drill, wood putty, an 1/8" drill bit, and of course, our game changer, the Squeak No More Kit. Inside the kit, you'll find our trusty fixture, helping us guide those screws to perfection. Also a driver bit with a stop, and let's not forget about the showstopper, our Squeak No More screw. Designed to pull those floors together like a magician's final trick. This little genius is the heart of the operation. It's designed to work with both hardwood and softwood, ensuring those pesky squeaks don't stand a chance. And because we know you've probably got more than one squeak, the kit comes with 50 of those bad boys. Now, let's get rid of those squeaks. Step 1, grab the 1/8" drill bit. You're going to pre-drill a hole right into the floor where your squeak is. Step 2, if your floors are hardwood, drive a screw through this shorter opening on the fixture using the included driver bit. You can use the taller fixture too for hardwood. We won't tell on you. Step 3, as the screw drives and hits the top of the fixture, magic happens. It pulls and snaps right at the score. Perfect execution every time. For softwood, or if the hardwood side didn't snap, just reverse, pull it out, and go manual with the taller fixture. Easy. Once you reach the limit, simply rock the fixture back and forth till it snaps. Step 4, now the score's set 1/5 inch below the wood, a dab of putty, and you're golden. And when you're all said and done, it's like it never happened. Squeak-free floors, and you didn't even break a sweat.